We were downtown before, and we wanted to kind of get out of downtown. It's a little difficult with parking and with the tourist side, and so we were looking outside and we found this little building, a lot of parking in a good location, and here it was, and had been sitting empty for a while. And we brought in Pearson and we said, gee, is this building something we could do and kind of make work? And they peeked it through and gave me some ideas, and we ended up buying the building. We've done several projects with Pearson over the years, some bigger, quite a bit bigger actually, and others smaller, and they've always performed well. So they're always the first people we call when it comes time to do some kind of building. We drew some ideas on what we wanted as far as flow for our clinic, and said what would we need to do to this building to make that work, and they kind of worked with us and came up with this great plan. Basically, we gutted the whole thing. They just made it a shell. So the original 2,000 square feet, or approximate 2,000 square feet, was here existing and needed some help, but they got it together, and then they added on another about 600 square feet in the back, and kind of knocked walls down and made this shell enough that we could put this clinical design in that we wanted. Pearson gave us options on how we might mitigate certain issues and what we might need to do to make it right and move forward. And of course, you know, they were right all the time. So we just, go by their lead, and our past experience with them made it really easy. Mike and his team from Pearson, they understood what was happening with the economy and what was happening with the supply chain. So immediately, when snow was still flying, before we had any real plans on, they started ordering and getting things in place. There were a couple little things, but nothing that prevented us from occupying the building and moving forward with the practice. We're thrilled with it. No, it's great. And we've gotten amazing compliments from the community. They're excited that we were able to take this old building that had been an eyesore, basically, and made it what it is. It's a gem in this area. So they were excited for us to move in and to do what we were going to do, and we've gotten nothing but positive feedback.